Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're going to look at a screen recorder called Uniconverter Screen Recorder from Wondershare, and without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm in the Google search page here, so I'm going to search for Uniconverter Screen Recorder. There you go. This is the website for Uniconverter Screen Recorder from Wondershare. I'm just gonna click here. Alright, this is the website for Uniconverter Screen Recorder, and we've got a video converter, an editor, recorder. You can transfer the files, and also a compressor. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on the free download option here. I'm gonna download the .exe file. There you go, the .exe file has been downloaded. So I'm just gonna click on the .exe file and click on the yes to actually install the Wondershare Uniconverter. Alright, the installation is now complete and I'm gonna click on start now. Alright, it says that installation was successful. This is the UI for Wondershare Uniconverter Screen Recorder. So we've got many options here. We have the editor over here. We've got screen recorder. We've got merger of videos. We've got DVD burner, which is a little bit outdated for today's expectations, because DVD is a thing of past. All right, and then there is a video player as well. So before getting into the screen recorder itself, I'm just gonna look at the pricing here. So as you can see, there is a 1-year plan, which is $39.99, and there is a 2-year plan for $55.99, and there is a individual perpetual license for $79.99. All right, so this is pretty much higher pricing for compared to the other screen recorders, but still it is okay in my opinion. You get everything at one place. You get to edit your videos, you get to actually produce some of the videos all in one place. So I think this is a good choice for people who doesn't have to go anywhere for recording and editing their videos. But however, there is no audio editing features in Wondershare Uniconverter Screen Recorder. Also, we've got some other features here. See, there is a watermark editor, there is a trimmer, and there is also a subtitle editor as well. And if I click on the all tools here, there are several tools here where you can make GIFs, you can create intros, you can fix the metadata of the video, you can convert the images, you can use a CD burner, you can convert videos to VR, that is virtual reality, and you can actually transfer your files to the device. Alright, there is a special feature called AI Lab here, so where you can remove the watermark, or you can actually change the voice. These are all downloadable, of course. And also you can remove the voices, you can remove noises, and also you can auto crop, you can edit the subtitles, you can remove the backgrounds, you can do video stabilization as well. So these are all for the videos that you shoot, but not the screen recorder, because usually the screen does not actually needs video stabilization. This is all for I guess for videos that has been shot in the camera. All right, so for now it's okay. I'm just gonna go to the home page again, and here there is an option for screen recorder, and without any further ado, we are going to start screen recording and see how it goes. But I record my videos in Cloud Screen Recorder. There are a lot of options, guys. You can create an account with the Cloud. You can actually set a destination where your video has to be streamed, and also you can choose the platform where the video has to be shared or streamed. And this is a fantastic feature, guys. You can actually stream it on multiple social media platforms, and that's a fantastic feature from PepperCloud, you guys. So I have included the link in the description. Please check it out, guys. All right, I'm gonna hover over to the screen recorder option here and click on the screen recorder. There you go. There we've got different options. We can actually record the screen, or there we can actually record the webcam and the audio and the application as well. In case you wanted to record a particular application and you don't want to record any other screen, you could just choose application recorder, which would be not required in my case here. I'm just going to quickly click on the screen recorder here, and it says we are in the trial version and we could actually record for 1 minute only. So that is a bummer, guys. The trial version only allows you to record the screen for 1 minute. That is very less. There are a lot of other video screen recorders which actually allows you to record up to 10 minutes in the trial version, and comparatively this is very less. So I'll quickly close it. I'll just select the webcam recorder again. In the trial version you get to record for only 1 minute, and I don't see an option to actually record anything together. So that is a bummer, guys. I cannot record the screen, webcam and audio all together. Maybe I'll try recording the screen first, and I'll click on the continue trial here. And okay, here they've given the option to actually record the microphones and the webcam here. So I'm just going to choose my microphone here. Speakers is going to be okay. All right, and in the screen space area I'm going to select full screen. Also I can enable the webcam here by clicking on the webcam option here. So I'm just going to click it here. All right, I've got the webcam feed as well. All right, so I'm just gonna I can actually hover over to the corner here and actually set up the size of the webcam here. I think this is the aspect ratio. Okay, I'll just choose 640 by 480, and then I'll choose the camera. In case if you have multiple cameras, you can actually choose another camera. All right, so I'm gonna click on the record button here to click to start the recording. There you go, the recording has started, you guys. I think Uniconverter Screen Recorder is pretty much a paid version because it is not free at all, and you can only record for 1 minute. That is a bummer, guys. All right, I'll just click on the got it, and I'm gonna try and stop the recording. Where can I do that? Maybe I'll do that here. Okay, as you can see, there is a bar here which allows you to actually stop the recording. So I'm just gonna stop the recording. There you go. My recording shows up in the window here, and I can actually take a look at the video by clicking the play button here. And I'm gonna try and stop the recording. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I'll do that here. All right, the recording quality is fantastic, guys. It's totally up to the mark, and in case if I wanted to find the file in the folder, I can just click here to open file location. All right, I'll do one more thing. I'm gonna just click on the editor button here so that I can try editing this video. All right, I have to choose the path. Okay, let it be there. All right, first I have to find the video and then trim. It's okay, so I just go back to home here, and I'm gonna do one more recording. I'm just gonna click on the screen recorder once again, and I'm gonna click on continue trial, and then I'm gonna include my camera here, and already full screen is selected, camera, speakers, everything is ready. So I'm just gonna quickly try adding a logo. You can actually add a logo by clicking here and add a logo to your video. I'm just gonna quickly try and add a logo here. So I'm just gonna try this as a logo. Okay, all right, so as you can see my logo appears here, so I'm just gonna quickly adjust the size here, and I can place it anywhere in my video, so I can place it anywhere on the screen here to actually enable the logo. All right, so I'm just gonna click on the recording. I forgot to show you one more option here, and that is, I'm gonna choose here. As you can see, there is an option to actually crop, and there is an option to actually annotate the screen. I can choose a line or a square or a circle or just simple pencil drawing, or I can include the text as well. So I'm just gonna choose the size of the brush and then the color of the brush, and I can actually annotate on my screen. So this is a fantastic feature, guys. I just wanted to show you that. I'm gonna quickly stop this video, and my video shows up here. I think I've given you a brief introduction on how to use the Uniconverter Screen Recorder, and also we've got other features like editor, compressor, converter. We can actually convert videos to any format that we want. So these are all free, but the screen recording option only is available for 1 minute. But all the other options are free. As you can see, the voice changer, vocal remover, noise remover, everything is free except for the timing that you record. So that's it, guys. So until I meet you in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.